Hello viewers, Diwali sale is running on Flipkart and Amazon, but the price of all the tablets have increased, so it will not be a wise decision to buy a tablet right now. During Big Billion Days sale, the prices of tablets were very less, but now the sellers have increased the price of each and every tablet. So a lot of users want to know about the next sale date so that they can buy their favorite tablet. Many people actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, but the price of this tablet is on the higher side right now. The best price for this tablet is 21 to 22,000 rupees for the Wi-Fi version. If you want to buy Tab S9 FE Plus at 21 to 22,000 rupees, you must buy this tablet from Flipkart.com because in Amazon.in the price of this product is always high. Tab S9 FE Plus is ideal for those users who want to consume multimedia content on their tablet, want a good battery life and a very good note-taking experience with S Pen. The next tablet that many people want to buy is iPad 10th generation Wi-Fi version. Currently this tablet is available at 29,000 rupees using SBI credit card, but I will not suggest you to buy this tablet right now at this high price. The best price for iPad 10th generation is 26,000 rupees. iPad 10th generation is a great tablet. It has all the features and the processor of this tablet is top notch. You will have no complaint about performance. It can handle multitasking. It can be a great tablet for video editing and multimedia consumption is equally good on this tablet. The next tablet that a good number of people want to buy is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. You can buy this tablet at 99,999 rupees on Amazon.in. Currently this product is not available at this price point, so I will not suggest you to buy this product right now. Rather, you should wait for a few days when the offer will come again and you can buy this device well under 20,000 rupees. This tablet will be available anytime after Diwali. Now the question arises, when will these tablets be available at the discounted price? Actually, currently Diwali sale is running and after this sale you will get another sale in the month of November and after that you will get Christmas sale in the month of December. But I think every month Flipkart and Amazon will offer discounts on tablets, so you have to wait for few days. Anytime the sale may come and whenever the sale will come, I will let you know about the latest price point and about the offers, and also I will tell you whether you should buy the tablet or not at that price. I think in the second week of November you may see another sale. However, there is no confirmation about this, but before Christmas sale you will definitely get a deal on tablets. So you just have to wait for the right sale with your credit card. However, it is not sure which card will be available for discounts at that time. So if you want to get updated about the latest offers on tablets and smartphones, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video I upload on this channel. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.